Part 5 of solar gadgets you didn't know existed.
A solar-powered clean water and sanitation system. Everything you need to pump, purify, and deliver large amounts of water. Now you can bring cleanliness wherever you go, with full sink and shower capabilities. It's difficult to find water that isn't contaminated, and purifying has always been a hassle. The Flow's 3-stage cartridge filter is long-lasting and effortless. When traveling light, use it directly in the dirty water source like a straw, or thread it onto the included bag or plastic bottle to squeeze filtered water through. The Flow also runs on a small USB-powered pump, and the included power bank can purify 100 gallons of drinking water on a single charge. And it's all solar-powered thanks to an integrated panel on the rugged case.
With today's amazing technology, why would you limit your water filter to a single function? Now, when you're traveling, camping, or when you're just out and about, you have everything and the kitchen sink.
Setup takes less than a minute, and with the flip of a switch, you have fresh water for the dog, washing dirty hands and dishes, rinsing veggies, you name it. Making a hot shower while off-grid is very difficult without a ton of gear and patience. So we combined the Flow with our hybrid solar and electric stove, making a solar shower that works in minutes and all year round. Gone are the days of hand pumping or buying bottled water. Gone are the worries of contaminated drinking water supplies or interruptions from power outages. With the Flow, you can have hydration, a kitchen sink, and a hot shower that fits in your backpack. GoSun thanks you for believing in a better way and a more resilient, healthy future.